Today I will meet Alicia. She will tell me something about communication within the control cabinet. Hi Alicia.
Hi Sasha.
I thought we were checking out our machine, so why do we meet here?
Well, actually I'm already checking the status of my machine right now. Complete Line products for industrial communication ensure that I have access to all relevant data from everywhere with remote communication. But now let's see how this works in detail.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, so let's take a closer look on what we just saw in the production.
Okay.
Communication is the enabler for digitalization and can therefore be found nearly everywhere in the control cabinet. Maybe let's start at the bottom. All data from the field enters the control cabinet here. The open field cable is connected to a so-called patch panel. On top, the patch panel has an RJ45 connection, which is, as you can see, common in a control cabinet. The patch panel is also a handover point to customers for many control cabinet manufacturers. From here, the data is sent to a switch, which then distributes it intelligently in the rest of the network, for example to a controller like that one. If you use a managed switch, like this one, you also have network diagnostics and a stable and reliable network communication. You can connect also other devices to this switch, for example a Wi-Fi access point for a direct connection of smart devices, or this mobile phone router, which sends all data to the cloud, so I can access them from everywhere in the world.
And at this point we're at your tablet again, right?
That's right.
This means with the right communication infrastructure we can bring together all data and distribute it to wherever it is needed.
That's correct. Fast, reliable and absolutely secure.